Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, the host of this show where we talk about raising funding for your startup and the time it takes to have an espresso. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. The coronavirus pandemic impacts many parts of the economy, including logistics and supply chain. We'll see changes in the following ways. The need for flexible manufacturing came to the forefront in the coronavirus pandemic in the form of ventilators, COVID-19 tests, and medical supplies. Traditional manufacturing will be replaced by faster, more flexible systems with an emphasis on technology rather than low-cost labor. Technologies such as 3D printing, robotics, automation, and advanced manufacturing will take precedence in the event labor goes under lockdown. Amazon is an example of an advanced manufacturer relying upon e-commerce, cloud-based computing, and sophisticated supply chain logistics. Post-coronavirus world will want the ability to run standalone. Robotics, AI, and automation will be seen as a positive force for achieving that. Logistics are shifting to serve the customer all the way to their home rather than through intermediate distribution points such as grocery stores and C-stores. As with most trends in the coronavirus economy, these were already underway. It now accelerates. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start up something today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early-stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinions of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon for the basis of investment decisions.